Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn poem number 2.3, The Worm, written by Thomas Gisborne. Yesterday we have seen means that while turning our food, Miss Poet tells us that while turning your food, don't crash that, don't destroy that helpless worm, because it's the creation of God, and that same God which is made by us, also that same God made by that little worm also. And whatever the unlimited love God gives us to, like this way, that same unlimited love God gives to that little creature, and that little creature God gifted to us. Okay. And also poet says that the sun, the moon, the star, it is the creation of God. And also whatever the grassy blade, means that narrow lip of grass God made for that worm, as well as us also, as well as thee, means as well as us also. Okay, now let's last stanza of the poem, which is convey the message. See, let them enjoy their little day. And poet here says that, lastly poet requested that to the reader, allow that little worm to enjoy their life. Okay, their little day means their brief life. Their little day means that whole day. Okay, brief life with its humble. See, their lovely bliss received. Their lovely bliss received means their simple pleasure. They have the right to receive the simple pleasure of nature. Oh, do not lightly take away the life thou canst not give. And poet lastly tells us that not to take away life, not to take lightly it, not to take that whatever poet says, that means poet requested here, not take it lightly, don't take it lightly, because that life which means that life we cannot give the life to that little worm. Okay, which means God give the life to that little worm, we cannot give that life to that little worm. Then why you destroy to that little worm? Okay, and poet means from that last stanza, let them enjoy their little day, means from this line poet convey the message, live and let live. Okay, live and let live, jaga and jagu द्या. Like this way poet convey the message of live and let live from this poem. Okay, and poet also says that, means here poet says that means that respect, means you have to respect all, means all the creature which is made by God. Okay, because for each has their own role, because each of these creature they play their own role in the nature. Okay, and we have, means they have the right to play their role in this world. Okay, because we are means we are living, means enjoyfully, like this way this little creature also have the right to live enjoyfully. Okay, like this way poet convey the message through this poem. Now see, beside questions are there only 3 questions are there. Why should we take care even of small worm? Okay, why should we take care even of small worm? This poet here requested us to remember that every creature on this earth is created by God for some purpose, and that's why we must respect every creature, which is big or small, for each has its own role to play in this world. Okay, in this universe, and we have no right to lightly take away a life which we cannot give back. Okay. It is the answer of this question. Then next question. What other creations of God are mentioned? What other creations of God means here mentioned means the sun, the moon, the star. Okay, the sun, the moon, the star, that poet mentioned here. Then next question. Explain the thought in the last two lines in simple words. Okay, explain the thoughts in last two lines in simple words. Means that last two lines. Oh, do not lightly take away the life thou canst not. Miss Poet says that here we cannot give the life to them, then we have to, we means don't take away lightly the life of this small creature. Okay, don't take away lightly to the life of this small creature and live and let live. Live and let live. Okay, means this line convey the message of this. Then next question. Question English workshop. Read the poem aloud and you will find some old outdated words that we do not use in the everyday language now. Means some old word, archaic words poet use here. Okay. However, some writers poet use them to important and old-fashioned flavor to suit the background of their writer. Means some for the suitable word, Miss poet, other poet also they can use this archaic word in the poem. In this poem also, Thomas Gisborne, he used some archaic word here. Now see, here is word given thy means your. Thy is the archaic word or old language word. Thy means your and being means life. Being means life. Then next word is bestow means gift. Thee means what is the meaning of thee? Thee means you. Okay. Then thou also mean you, and canst means can. Okay, like this way these are the means similar word of this archaic word means modern word. Okay, these are the modern word. Then read any poem sonnet by William Shakespeare, pick out the archaic word and write what they mean. Means William Shakespeare, the poet, he used many archaic word in his poet. You can read from William Shakespeare's poem from internet. Then next, the poet used a device where he directly addresses someone absent or abstract. Such a device is the figure of speech called apostrophe. Okay. Means poet use here the figure of speech apostrophe. For example, turn thy hasty foot aside. Like this way you have to pick out any two other lines from the poem that contain an apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe means poet in this poem poet contain the apostrophe. And then which lines contain the apostrophe from this poem that we have to find. Okay. See, turn thy hasty foot aside. Let them enjoy their little day. Oh, do not lightly take away the life thou canst not give. These are the lines which are related to figure of speech apostrophe. Apostrophe means the poet addresses the directly someone absent or abstract. Okay, someone absent or abstract. Such a device is called this figure of speech apostrophe. Then next, think and answer in your own words in your notebook. Okay, you have to write your means these questions answer you have to write in your own word. Then next question. Question number 5. Even small things in nature play a big role. So protect nature. Frame some slogans based on the above topic. Okay. Means for example, let them enjoy their little day. Live and let live. Means these are the some slogans related to the nature. Like this way, nature is our best teacher. Like this way, slogans you can write with your own. Okay. All creatures, great and small. Like this way, you can write the slogans. Then next question, draft a short speech on the above topic, which you could give at your school assembly. Means here is given some pattern. Write the speech writing with the help of this point. Greeting, salutation, introduction of the topic, body of the speech, expression of gratitude to audience. Okay. Means this question, don't write this question in a notebook. After means when I am going to teach writing skill, that time I will teach you the how to write the speech. Okay. And then write the appreciation of this poem with the help of this point. Here is given last question. See, point wise analysis of the poem means appreciation of poem, that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, like this way this question you have to write in your notebook. Question number 6, question number 4, don't write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.